Hello, welcome to another unboxing video. Today's going to be kind of a follow-up to the video I did a couple weeks ago about the Lima Shell Tanker truck. So let's open this up and see what I mean by that. This one came from eBay, recycled Amazon box. All right, let's see what we got here. So the first one is that this was a Wiking Shell tanker truck. And last time when I had the Lima, some people had mentioned that the tanker truck actually was from Wiking and not from Lima itself. Now on this one, it clearly says Lima, Italy on the truck portion, but it says absolutely nothing on the tanker truck itself. The construction and the wheels and the axles and everything is identical, which makes me think that the tanker portion is Lima as well. Let's see what this Wiking one looks like. Okay, so it is considerably different. It is a Mercedes. And then it does open up on the back. Let's compare that to the Lima one. Yeah, that's identical. Small, minute differences. This one's got a license plate frame, looks like over here. Other than that, they look the same from the top. Slightly different. But they clearly share some underpinnings here that they came from the same mold. If we could take a closer look, the suspension and the axle is obviously a little different. Colors of the undercarriage is a little different. The spacing is it really different, or is it? Yeah, it's a little bit different. And this one does say Wiking on the bottom, and this one says nothing. So I'd say there's a pretty good chance that this one, obviously the undercarriage is much more detailed. And it also is noticeable, the price difference. The axle, the wheelbase is the same, even though one is a Fiat and one is the Mercedes. This one does say Germany on top here. So that's pretty interesting. I didn't know that. I don't know if Lima made these on behalf of them or vice versa, or if they bought the tooling, if it was an older mold that Wiking didn't want anymore. Because even on top here, you can see it with the hose arrangements, the lids, the valves, the covers. It's identical. It is definitely the same tooling that made both of these. Same length. Yeah. So I know we're a little bit, maybe 45 years past the fact, but that's pretty interesting. So there's some kind of a Wiking history with this Lima one, and like I said, it may be an older tool that the that they sold to them. Or dare I say it, Lima made them for Viking, which seems unlikely, but who knows? The other thing that I bought was on the same lot number, was another Shell truck. This one was in N scale, and this one is also a Viking. Number 81 Shell Tanker. That's pretty nice actually. I don't have any N scale things, but this one is marked Wiking Germany on the truck, and there's the W emblem on the tanker portion as well. Doesn't open, it's too small for that. Very neat, very neat. I'll probably hang on to this, or I might relist it. But that's, and this one, let's see, what is this? This is also a Mercedes truck. So yeah, so to answer the question that nobody asked, or well, actually a couple of people had asked, it could be a Viking, or it could be old Viking tooling that Lima acquired. But either way, some minute differences like the cross brace here and the license plate bracket on the back definitely originates from the same tooling. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Pretty cool little fact there. If anybody has any more info in this, you're welcome to put so in the comment. And other than that, until next time, have a good one. Thank you. Bye-bye.